step into the Chrysler 2019 Pacifica Touring L. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, GPS antenna input, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 4 with 7 display, Sirius XM satellite radio, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual zone AC. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.